If you want to be able to use Yarn instead of NPM on your AEM application to get more performance or use other features, in today's video I'll show you how. Hi there! I'm Manuel Gutierrez from thelighthouse.co, and in this quick tips series I will share snackable videos focusing on just one feature or problem. So if you're new here, hit the subscribe and the bell notification buttons below so you don't miss a thing. Let's start! In today's video, I will create an AEM application, modify the root's pom.xml file, select Yarn's version, modify the ui.frontend's pom.xml file, build the project, and generate a yarn.lock file to be able to push that into a repository. Let's start by creating an app using Adobe's archetype. Go to Visual Studio Code, right-click on the left pane, click on Open in Integrated Terminal, and then use the command to generate an application. Make sure that you define the app title, app ID, and group ID. Once the command finishes, expand the folder you just created, open the pom.xml file, and look for instances of the word NPM. The first one that appears is the version that we currently use for NPM. First of all, let's replace the word NPM by Yarn. After that, we need to define what's the version of Yarn we're going to use. For that, go to npmjs.com, look for Yarn, and either use the version that you see at the top, or click on Versions and select the version that you are interested in. In my case, I will use the one at the top. Then, go to Visual Studio Code, put the version you just copied, and put a V at the beginning. Let's keep looking for NPM words inside the file. Try to replace all of them with the word Yarn. Finally, once you find the one that is the goal, so this is the one that is actually calling the command, look for the configuration. You might find one that says CI. This command is telling NPM, in this case, to not generate a log file. We will want to do the same ourselves for Yarn. For this, replace CI with install --frozen-log file. Save the file, and we are done on the root. Go to the ui.frontend folder, open the pom.xml file there, and also look for instances of the word NPM. As before, replace all of them with Yarn. Alright, we're almost done. Now, go to the package.log file and delete it. There's one more thing that we need to do, but for this, we need to first build the project. So right-click on the project's root folder, open it in an integrated terminal, and build the project. You will see that while the project is building, a node folder has been created with Yarn inside it. And in a few minutes, a node modules folder will be created as well. But no yarn.log file will be created. Now that everything has been built successfully, let's right-click on ui.frontend, open it in an integrated terminal, and by using the yarn file, the one that you can see here, let's build the project in a way that we can generate a log file. Awesome. Now we can push this code into our repository. Congratulations and thanks for watching. You can find a link to the post in the description below. Please let me know if you have any questions or comments. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel.